In this video, I will show you how to send token from Binance wallet to exchange. So I will show you two methods on how to do it. So first up, after you open up your Binance wallet, here is it now. Go to this asset button. So after you go to the asset, so as you can see now here is tokens. So under these tokens, here you'll be able now to see all your tokens. So now select the one that you want to send. So I'll select now this one. So after you select that the one that you want to send, so the first thing to do, so at the top, as you can see now, there is network. So this token now is on that BNB network, that's Binance Smart Chain. So now go ahead now and select the network that you want to send the token from it. So I'll select this Solana network. So after you select the network, now I'm using Solana network. So the next thing to do, click on the send button. So after you click on the send button, here you have two options. If you want, you can just send the token to external wallets. So if you click on this send to wallet address, it will ask you to paste in the address that you copy from external exchanger, not Binance. But if you want to send the token into your Binance exchanger, so you select the first one, transfer to Binance exchange. So from this option now, as you can see here is it now. Now you choose this option. Now the token will be sent into your Binance spot and funding wallet. So now here is now the token. So the next thing to do, click on this option now, amount. So now type in the amount that you want to send. So after you type in the amount, tap on this option. So from there now, if you have available token on your wallet, so it will not give you this error. So because I don't have any amount of this token, that's why it just give me this available 0. So now it just give me this error. Just if you have the amount, if you type in the amount, it will just give you this continue button. A continue button will be active for you like this one. If you tap on the continue button, from there the token will be sent into your Binance wallet. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.